Hello everyone! I see that you really like the topic of making money and successful people, and today I will share the top 5 tips on how to make wealth out of nothing. You ask me, what right out of nothing? Yes, you don't have to create a second Tesla to become rich. Some argue that people make big money with their means. Others believe that a large piece of the pie goes to the gifted by the nature. Still others will assure you that lucky people make the big money. They're all right. Indeed, programmers, thanks to their knowledge, earn twice as much as other salaried workers. Talented musicians and artists receive royalties for their artwork, and those who won the lottery or received an inheritance allow always with a lot of money. Tip 5. Work twice the amount. By working twice as much, you can earn 10 times more. The mysterious meaning of the phrase "money out of thin air" is hidden. People see a huge salary of a person and cannot justify for themselves the simple truth that they can also, if they tear the boot off to a coach on a weekend and start working tirelessly. The point is that they work twice as much as regular mercenary, and that's enough to earn 10 times the standard salary. People are lazy and idle, but if the majority work out of the necessary, successful people work because they enjoy being who they are. Tip 4. Meditation. The fact is that by mastering meditation, you will improve all your skills and abilities, get the opportunity to concentrate on important things, and filter out unnecessary irritants. It has been experimentally proven that the technique of meditation changes the brain, so the meditation doesn't only work while you're sitting in the lotus position. By the way, the initial task of the meditation is to help a person achieve important goals for him, and not to be calm and get rid of stress, as many think. Although this is so important, choose your meditation technique and try meditation today. I'm curious to know, have you ever tried meditation? If so, has anything changed in your condition and outlook? Tip 3. Learn every day. Successful people know what competences they lack in order to reach a new level, and every day they devote at least 2 hours to teaching these competitions. Think about what you are missing to achieve outstanding success in your chosen field of activity, and create your own education program. But whatever you do, your educational program should include the themes of self-development, personal effectiveness, and creative thinking. Make the most of free source of information. A lot of useful information can be found on YouTube. There are free educational services. Read books by paid courses on online services. On the website of authors, go to trainings. Just choose the trainings correctly and do not go to everything. Tip 2. Positive thinking. If you are going to become rich, you have no choice. You will have to become optimistic. Focus on opportunities, not problems. Why is this important for someone who is going to make $1 million or more? First, positive people and optimists naturally have much more energy. Secondly, you will be able to spend energy even better. You will not have to spend resources on fear and depression, persuading yourself to take up work, comfort, and feel sorry for yourself for no particular reason, when a good reason for negative emotion still appears, and there will be no such reasons. You will quickly experience negative emotion. It is easy to return yourself to a working state. In the end, you will feel better and be sick less. So, it is worth considering. Maybe your poverty lies in the fact that you are constantly negative. When was the last time you were truly genuinely happy? Tip 1. Call yourself into the army. To call yourself into the army, that is to enroll completely to some big goal and work on it for 2 years, devoting all your strength and resolve to the work. You don't need distracting entertainment, weekends, time for TV shows, movie, communication and social networks, except for an account for work or business. You allow yourself a minimum of rest. You don't go to a bar with friends. Don't accept invitation to the birthday of distant acquaintances. Don't celebrate Dutch holiday. You are always in the ranks. If you feel that you need to rest or think that it would be incident for you to miss the birth of a close friend, ask your immediate supervisor for a day off. Whether or not to let the fighter go on day off, decide from the position of the commander. A good commander will not give a subordinated slave, but he will not drive him to death without a good reason. Remember the leader is you. That's all. And the last thing, I want to say that sometimes for wealth you just need to change yourself inside and turn on the right light bulbs. Look inside yourself. Don't look for a magic wand and develop. Bye bye. See you later.